how to find the general term and middle term of the expansion using a general formula, that is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. Term independent of x means the term which does not contain x. So when you have odd powers, the value will be negative. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysore. So here I am going to teach about binomial theorem. So welcome to the third session of binomial theorem. So in our previous session, we have learned about the general term and the middle term of the binomial expansion. So how to find the general term and middle term of the expansion using a general formula, that is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. Why? Because in each term we have NCR formula to represent the coefficient, and x is n minus r. Why it is given as n minus r? Because x is decreasing from first term to last term, and the last term of a is always in the form of a power n. So here r may be equal to n also. So therefore, this is the general formula to find any term like 5th term, 6th term, 10th term, 12th term in the binomial expansion. Coming to the middle term of the binomial expansion, here we have two cases. One is the thing, if n plus 1 is even, then we have two middle terms. If n plus 1 is odd, then we have only one particular middle term for the binomial expansion. So today we will study about coefficient of a particular variable in the binomial expansion, as well as the term independent. That means a constant term in the binomial expansion. So we are going to find the coefficient of x in the binomial expansion, and the term independent of x means we are going to find the constant terms in the binomial expansion. Since the power of x is always 0 in the binomial expansion, so term independent of x means the term which does not contain x. That means constant term. So we will be learning how to find these two in today's session. So let me take first one, the coefficient of a particular power of x in the binomial expansion. Here I have taken an example. Find the coefficient of x power 6 y cube in the expansion x plus 2y whole power 9. For all these problems, general term is very important. First, we have a binomial expansion. So let us see what is given in the expansion. So n is given 9, x is given, it is x only, a is given, it is 2y. Now what is the general term of the expansion? And we have to find the coefficient of x power 6 y cube. So when you expand this in binomial expansion, you will get the term x power 6 y cube. So then it has to be with some constant, that is coefficient. So therefore we have to find the numerical coefficient of this term x power 6 y cube in the binomial expansion. How to do it? First write the general term. So what is the general term? TR plus 1 NCR x power n minus r a power r. So since r is unknown here, we will keep r as it is and we will write other terms. So n is given, that is 9cr. X is given, which is same, x power 9 minus r. A is given, that is 2y to the power r. So when you expand this, TR plus 1 is equal to 9CR x to the power 9 minus r. This is 2 power r into y power r. Now they have given the term containing x power 6 y cube. Just compare the value of x and y with x power 6 and y cube. So when you compare the index of x and y, you will get. So when you compare x power 9 minus r with x power 6 and y power r with y cube. So compare it separately, x with x and y with y. I'll get r is equal to 3. So now it is easy to find the numerical coefficient, that is, leave x 9 minus r and y power r, because I have to find the coefficient of these two. Since this is already x power 6 and this is y cube, so I only left with 9cr and 2 power r. So these are the numerical coefficient. So therefore, the coefficient of x power 6 y cube is 9cr. What is the value of r? 3. So therefore it is 9c3. And here we have 2 power r, which is 2 cube. So this is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 cube. So when you multiply it, you will get 672 as a coefficient of the variable x power 6 y cube in the binomial expansion of x plus 2y whole power 9. In the similar way, here what is given for this question? Root x minus 2 divided by x root x whole power 12. So n is 12, x is root x and a is minus 2 by x root x. So find the general term. So t r plus 1 n c r x to the power n minus r a power r. I don't know the value of r, but I have to compare the coefficient of x power minus 4. So just evaluate this. I know n is 12. So 12 cr. X is root x. So root x 12 minus r. A is minus 2 by x root x r. So this one 12 cr. This is root x 12 minus r. This is minus 2 whole power r. So this is x root x whole power r. So here x root x r. I'll take this as root x whole to the power 2r. X as root x whole to the power root r, and this is root x whole power r. So which is one and the same. So this becomes, this is equal to root x to the power 3r. So you have root x to the power 3r. When it goes to the numerator, just write the numerical coefficient separately, minus 2 whole power r. Here you have already root x 12 minus r. Along with this value is given here. It is root power 3r. When it goes to the numerator, this will become minus 3r. So what happens now? This is 12cr minus 2 whole power r root x whole to the power 12 minus 4r. So how root x can be written in the indexes form? As 1 by 2. So when you divide the power by 2, this is equal to 12cr minus 2 whole power r x to the power 6 minus 2r. So now this is the numerical coefficient. So this is the variable. Now compare the index of x, that is powers of x. So comparing index of x. So you have 6 minus 2r here. That is equal to minus 4. You are just comparing only the powers. So you will get minus 2r is equal to minus 10. So this implies r is equal to 5. So r is equal to 5. So therefore the coefficient is, what is the numerical coefficient? 12CR minus 2 whole power r. So what does it becomes? 12C5 minus 2 whole power 5. So this is equal to minus 25,344. So why it is negative? Because you have odd power there. So when you have odd powers, the value will be negative. So solving this, I'll get answer as 25,344. Next question. Find the coefficient of 1 by x power 17 in the expansion x power 4 minus 1 by x cube to the power 15. So what is given? N has 15, x as x power 4, a as minus 1 by x cube. So let me find TR plus 1. NCR x to the power n minus r, a power r. So TR plus 1, n is 15, C r, a is x power 4, 15 minus r, and this is minus 1 by x cube whole power r. So when you multiply this 15 CR, multiply this, you will get x power 15 4s are 60 minus 4r. Here you have minus 1 whole power r divided by x power 3r. So this is equal to 15 CR. When you shift x to the power 3r to the numerator, it will be of the form 60 minus 4r minus 3r. Remember, a power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. The same rule is applied for these two. So this becomes x to the power 60 minus 4r minus 3r becomes minus 7r. Along with this, you have minus 1 whole power r. So separate this. 15 CR minus 1 whole power r, x to the power 60 minus 7r. So separate numerals along with the variables. So it is easy to find the coefficients. So now compare the powers there. So here you have x power 17. So 1 by x power 17 means x to the power minus 17. When you write it in the numerator, the power becomes negative. So comparing index of x, we will get 60 minus 7r as minus 17. So this implies minus 7r is equal to minus 77. So therefore r is equal to 11. So just write the value of r in the place of numerical coefficient. So therefore the coefficient is, so you have 15CR, which is 15C11 into minus 1 whole power r, minus 1 whole power 11. So since it is odd, your answer will be negative. So therefore your answer is minus 15C11. So since the multiplication is large, you can just write minus 15C11. Next, term independent of x or the constant term in x plus a whole power n. As I said, term independent of x, nothing but terms which does not contain x. Terms which does not contain x. So here I have given the constant term. So terms which does not contain x means they are constant. They are independent of x. So the terms which does not contain x is called as term independent of x or a constant term. So in this case, the power of x is 0. So whenever you have written, see here, suppose you have x plus a whole square, it is x square plus 2xa plus a square. This contains variable which is not independent. This contains variable which is not independent of x, but this is the variable. So, but this is not variable. A is constant term. Here, why the value of x is not written? Because the power of x is 0. So, whenever you have a base with power 0, the value is 1. So, therefore, no need to write x power 0s there. That means they are constant term. So, therefore, whenever you have a constant term, the power of x is always 0. So, remember this condition, very important. This statement is very important to find the constant term or term independent of x in the binomial expansion. We'll take examples now. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of 3 by 2 x square minus 1 by 3x whole power 6. So, what is given? 6 is given. Next, x is given, that is 3 by 2 x square. A is given, minus 1 by 3x. Again, write the general term. So, TR plus 1, NCR, x to the power n minus r, a to the power r. So, I doesn't know the value of r. So, let me keep as it is. N is 6 CR, 3 by 2 x square whole power 6 minus r. Next, 1 divided by 3x whole power r. Now, evaluate this separately. Write all the numerical coefficients separately. So, 6 CR. Here I will write it as 3 by 2 whole to the power 6 minus r. Here it is x square. X square into 6 minus r is 2 6 12 minus 2r. So, write them separately. Next here, minus 1 whole power r divided by 3 power r into x power r. This is equal to 6 CR. 3 by 2 whole to the power 6 minus r. You have x power r here. When it goes to the numerator, it becomes minus r. So, the equation becomes 12 minus 3r. And here you are left with minus 1 whole power r divided by 3 power r. Now, if I want to find the term independent of x, that is term independent means constant term. Constant term. If I want to find the constant term, what is the condition? The condition is the power of x is 0. So, here the power of x must be 0. So, let me put the value of 12 minus 3r as 0. So, since in term independent, power of x is 0. Power of x is 0. This implies what? X 12 minus 3r is 0. So, that is power of x is 0. So, what does this implies? 12 minus 3r is equal to 0 means minus 3r is equal to minus 12. So, therefore, r is equal to 4. So, if r is equal to 4, just put r is equal to 4 in this equation and leave the variables, find the term independent. So, therefore, when r is 4, so 4 plus 1 is T5. So, T5 is the term independent of x and is given by wherever you have r, just replace with 4. So, it is T5 is equal to 6CR is 6C4. Here you have 6 minus R, 6 minus 4 is 2. So, this becomes 3 by 2 whole square. And here don't write this because the power is equal to 0. So, its value become 1. So, minus 1 whole power R is minus 1 whole power 4 divided by 3 power 4. So on solving this, you will get it as 5 divided by 12. So this is the constant term in this expansion. So here you are going to find the constant term which does not contain any x in the expansion of 3 by 2 x square minus 1 by 3x whole power 6. How to find? So remember the thing that whenever you are going to find the constant term in the binomial expansion, the power of x is 0. That is why you are supposed to find the general term. So in general term, the condition is power of x must be 0. What is the power of x here? 12 minus 3r. Since it is a constant term, that should be equal to 0. So on solving, you can find what is the value of r. So after finding r, we can find which is that term. So here fifth term, that is T5 term, is the term independent. So therefore, and its value is 5 by 12. So here we are supposed to find which term is term independent and the value of term independent. Find the constant term in the expansion 2x square minus 3 by x cube to the power 25. So n is given, again x is given, and a is given. Just find the general term. TR plus 1 is equal to 25 CR. 2x square whole power 25 minus r minus 3 by x cube whole power r. So therefore, TR plus 1 is equal to 25 CR. So this is 2 to the power 25 minus r. And here it is x to the power 50 minus 2r. Here minus 3 whole power r. Here it is x power 3r. When you take this x power 3r to the numerator, separate all the numerical coefficients. You will get it as x to the power 50 minus 5r. Minus 2r minus 3r becomes minus 5r. So therefore, what is the condition? If you want to find the constant term has its power of x as 0. So constant term has power of x as 0. So therefore, what happens here? 50 minus 5r is equal to 0. So this implies 5r is equal to 50. So therefore, r is equal to 10. So whenever r is equal to 10, so you got r is equal to 10. So what is the term then? R plus 1, that is 11. So therefore, the term T10 plus 1, that is equal to T11 is constant and is given by T11 is equal to, so T11 25 CR we have, that is 25 C10, x is given, so 2 power 25 minus 10, then we have minus 3 power r. So this is r, so minus 3 power 10. Then don't write this term because it is 0. The power of x is 0. Therefore, when x power is 0, its value is 1. So therefore, answer is 25 C10. 25 minus 10 is 2 power 15 into 3 power 10. So this is the constant term. Next, show that there is no term independent of x in the expansion. So here the question is, we have to show that there is no constant term in this expansion. We'll find it out. So to find this, I have to find TR plus 1. So TR plus 1, NCR. What is N? 25 CR. X, 2x square whole power 25 minus R. A, 3 by x whole power R. Now TR plus 1, 25 CR, 2 to the power 25 minus R into x to the power 50 minus 2R into 3 power R divided by x power R. So this is 25 CR, 2 to the power 25 minus R into 3 power R into x to the power 50 minus 3R. So when R is shifted to the numerator, it is minus 2R minus R, which is minus 3R. If suppose there is a term independent, then what is the value of this 50 minus 3R? It should be equal to 0. Okay, so that is what for term independent, power of x is 0. Power of x is 0. So therefore, 50 minus 3R is equal to 0. So this implies what? Minus 3R is equal to minus 50. This implies R is equal to 50 by 3. So this is not possible. Why? We are dealing with the powers of only natural numbers. So 50 by 3 is not natural. Simple way to say it is not natural. It is positive but not natural. So therefore, I cannot find the value for this whenever we have a fraction like 50 by 3. So what I can conclude? Therefore, there is no term independent of x. That means you don't have any constant term which is independent of x. That is, you don't have any constant term which does not contain x. So this is how we will find the term independent of x. So in today's session, we learned how to find the coefficient of a particular term in the expansion. How to find? Just write the general term and compare the value of variables x or y. So whenever you compare, you will get R. Then you can easily find which is the coefficient of the particular variable. And secondly, we learned how to find the term independent of x. So term independent is nothing but constant term which does not contain any variable. So to find it again, use the general term, then compare the coefficient or the power of x as 0. You will get the value of R. Then again find which term is term independent and also its value. So this is all about today's session. In the next session, we will learn other applications of binomial theorem. So I hope you understood the session very clearly today. So we'll meet you in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.